Welcome back my YouTube friends. Actually, you don't need to know who I am, right? Okay. That's enough playing around. Let's get back to it. Today we will be looking into hacking wireless access points again. This time we will be using a tool called Fluxion. It will create a rogue access point and tricking the user into providing the wireless key. So, let's get started, shall we? Navigate to where you've downloaded your copy of Fluxion. And run Fluxion by typing /fluxion.sh. Choose your language that you prefer. The next screen you will want to select your wireless adapter that you would like to use. I am choosing the Atheros card, of course. Scan all channels and select the access point you would like to target. To stop the scan, press Ctrl+C. Select option 1 for fake access point, host APD. Select the pirate option and use option 2 for deauth MDK3. We will now need to wait until we receive a deauth packet. Select option 1 for generating an SSL certificate. Press 1 for web interface. This window you will want to choose the appropriate router brand, otherwise scroll to the top and choose one of the generic options. Now a rogue access point has been produced with an identical SSID that you've chosen as the target. We will need to wait until the user has joined and they will be redirected to a web page to enter the passphrase. Nice. We have now tricked the user in providing the passphrase to their Wi-Fi. See you on the next video.